So we're doing some prep work. We're at the peak here, in the peak area of the main house in the front. And scraping is very tedious. There's a lot of surface area up here. I just spent a couple hours, almost 3 hours up here, and already had that done before and had some of this done before. So now I'm coming back through and caulking. Had to put some nails in here and put another nail to hold it. So scraping, you got to be careful because I'm using a small scraper. You want it nice and sharp, but you can't get everything. So you have to kind of get what you can. You're not going to get everything, but you want to get all the loose stuff you can. Sometimes tapping it, you can see what's loose, what's not loose. Now, a good primer is going to, which I think we're using, it really sticks it together. So in cases like this, it's going to hold a lot of this stuff together better. But sometimes you got to do some caulking too, wherever there's a joint that you think might not seal. Also up here where these nail heads are, they all need to be caulked. And we may need to caulk along these edges too, so we don't get water sitting in there. And we have to caulk that because I know that's loose and that one's loose. And you can see the wear on these things. Actually, I'll show you this one. So we want to caulk there. But again, you want to be careful when you're with this, because here's the thing. If you pull too hard, you might slip and then break some of this off, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to damage this, or nor do you want to slip and stab yourself either, because you're working really tight with it. So you have to be careful, but yeah, be somewhat aggressive too. Try to figure out what's loose and how much you're going to take at it. Now, I know some people heat this all up and try to get everything, but I would like to get this painted in my lifetime. So it's a trade-off. The good thing is up in here, you don't get the weather. Now, you are getting the sun on these edges. But from our other experience, the paint, with a good primer, it is holding really well. So I'm pretty confident that when we get this done, we're going to be looking at many years of a beautiful front without coming back to it. But, honestly, if we have to come back, we will. We got a lot of gingerbread here, and it's going to look beautiful.